Good morning,
Good
Ma'am, I
morning.
never get late. I will always come on time.
Good
ma'am.
morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Yes, ma'am. I had a doubt. Wait, I need to open the worksheet of yesterday.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I was telling that I was showing.
It's related to the concept which we are doing.
Yeah.
Please show.
Wait, I'm
Kush
present.
Ahuja, Lakshya, Viman Balchandani, turn on your camera and sit in the class.
Can you see, ma'am, my presentation?
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to show you this. It is right or wrong. This
The
one.
total of each side should be 14. 14, 7 plus 6, 12, 13, 14,
Ma'am, it's getting
9, 10, 11,
repeated.
13, 14, 9, 10,
Ma'am,
9,
in
10,
diagonal it is
14.
wrong.
In diagonal, it is wrong.
Where,
And
ma'am?
because the u in diagonal, it is wrong. Because diagonal is what? It is like this, four squares, no? So this is diagonal. When you check 6, 5, or 6 plus 11, 4. Yes, it should be 3. ये ऐसे भी 14 आना चाहिए आपका फिर. Got it?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you are repeating the numbers. So make a rule कि 7 से 1 to 9 numbers you will use. And the total should be this much. For this, you can get many of the worksheets in the Google form or in the Google also. So make the rule accordingly so that you can able to do. It
Okay,
should
ma'am.
be row wise, it should be column wise, it should be diagonal also same.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop your presentation. Yes. Rudere, can you ask me now?
Ma'am, I was yesterday confused in the worksheet that
Mhm.
I was not able to understand the pattern. So then I did slowly. So I don't know it is right or wrong. So how do
Mama
it pattern?
understood my pad, your pattern.
I request Dhyanshile, I request everyone to turn on the camera. Mohit, turn on your camera. Otherwise, I am going to remove you from my class. And Vivan Balchandani, turn on your camera. And Mohit, don't leave the class. I want to talk to you.
So ma'am, I was asking that there is any method to check that the answer is
No,
right.
there is no method. Just to follow the pattern.
Okay.
If your pattern is right, if you are following the pattern which is given to you, then your answer is right. Okay. You stay after the class. I will solve it. Okay. You can give me the sum and present your screen. I will solve it.
Ma'am, I will shake you tomorrow and it is right.
I will check and revert. Okay. Now we are going to start today's class. Today we are going to do the, as you all know that here we are doing patterns with numbers. We are learning about some tricks in the calendars. We are learning about turns in the,
Magic
so it's really,
square.
yes. Now come on the page number 110. It's about the secret number. Before doing the secret number of your textbook, I want to explain you about the riddles.
Ma'am, I was not saying
Wait a
I
minute, students.
understood the.
Yes, there, I told now you stay after the class. I'll explain you.
Ma'am, I was saying my doubt is clear. I just wanted to ask that there is. I was just asking that is there any method to check the pattern? I
Method
just
is
wanted to ask.
related with the pattern only.
Okay.
is the secret numbers now. Before doing the textbook exercises of secret numbers, I want to show you. What are you doing there with your eyes?
What, ma'am?
What are you doing? You're doing your eyes like this. What are you doing with that? You're not paying
Ma'am,
attention in the class?
no, ma'am,
Or
I
not
was
interested in the
closing.
class?
No, ma'am, I was closing. I had opened the worksheet now, so I was closing it and coming back.
Okay. So now I am going to children. Anyone knows about the riddles? Yes or no? Why this class is silent
Yes,
always?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Kevna, can you tell me one riddle based on your mathematic place value
Yes, ma'am.
system?
Yes,
Place
ma'am.
value पे. हाँ.
Uh,
एक riddle बोलो.
um,
Children, if you know the riddles, please raise your hand. Virtual hand.
ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. First I will tell you, then you try.
I
Okay.
know the riddles, but not the mathematics kind.
Okay.
But it's
At
hard.
first I am going to show you, then you speak. Okay.
Ma'am, can you write in the chat box?
Once I will explain, after that I will ask from you all. Is my page visible to you all students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's number riddles. I have a 1 in my 1000 place, 6 in my 100 place, 4 in my tens place, and 9 in my ones place. So by reading this, you are clear that it's a 4-digit number because your digits are going till 1000. So it is saying
It is G.
I'm writing here on the board also. I have 1 in my 1000 place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 1 in the 1000 place. So here are A and B. Both A and D, both have 1 at the 1000 place. So again, we have to move to the next.
Ma'am,
6
it
in
is
my
D.
100 place, 6 in my 100 place, and 4 in my tens place,
Place and
and
9
9 in my ones place. So what is the answer?
D. D1.
D.
D1.
Very good.
Ma'am, even I
D1.
have a number riddle.
Yeah, after that I will ask from you all. Now next number riddle is I have a 4 in my 100 place. Now this will give by Anya Mittal. Anya, give me the second one. I have 4 in my 100 place. Now when first line is 100 place means you have the number still 100.
I'm
Ones,
getting
tens, 100. Only Anya will give me. Others, please keep your mic off. Keep your mic off. Yes. 100 place. What is at the 100 place, Anya?
Ma'am, 7.
I have 4 in my 100 place. Second one is this one. Ye wala.
Ma'am,
It's,
ma'am, I cannot see the presentation of yours.
you cannot see. Pin
Yes,
on my
ma'am, I cannot.
presentation screen.
Ma'am, but we can see.
Yes.
Ma'am, perfectly.
Please fast, Anya. Pin on my presentation screen.
Ma'am, I cannot find your presentation screen only.
Okay, I will move to the next child. Then you will struggle, bacha, if you don't take the efforts to find out. I will move. Migdad. Migdad. Not answering. Rudra Master. Children, you know, by sitting in the class silently like this, and what do you
Ma'am.
think? The teacher will give you the good grades. Then
Ma'am,
sorry.
A1. For
Ma'am, now I can see
Ma'am,
the
A1.
presentation.
Now, Anya, no, your chance is gone. Now, Rudra Master.
A1,
I
493.
have 4 in my 100 place, 9 in my tens place, and 3 in
3
my
in a ones place.
ones place. So 493. A answer. Now next answer. Please I have the third sum. Third sum will be given by Jahan Agarwal. Jahan Agarwal, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read the third one. I have 4 in my ones place.
I am more than 22,
I
but
am
less.
more than 22,
Ma'am, 24.
but less than 30, 24. Yes. Next child, Mohit. Mohit. Again, he's not listening.
Yes, ma'am.
See, calling your name 3 to 4 times, not listening, not answering in the class will really affect on your grades. Then don't tell me anything after the grades. I have Mohit, listen and tell me fast. Read this.
1,230.
I have 2 in my 100 place, 7 in my tens place, and 5 in my ones place. So how it is 1,230?
Ma'am, can I say?
Mohit, you got it or not?
Yes.
Hmm.
But I'm confused in this number.
Why you
270.
don't see this pink or colorful numbers? I have 2 in my 100 place, which is very easy. You need to put the 2 on the 100 place, 7 in my tens
Okay.
place, and the 5 in the ones place. Got it?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say the answer of that?
It's already solved, no, bacha? You solve yes this one. I have 6 in the tens place.
Okay. I have six in a tens
Read
place.
also properly. Read also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 367.
Very good. Now next child.
67.
Ma'am, can I say next one?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Khush Ahuja.
Okay, Kush Ahuja. Next one. This one.
Ma'am, after post can I say?
This is the last
Ma'am, this
now.
ma'am. Ma'am, this one.
Yes. I have
Yes,
6 in my tens place.
Ma'am, I have a riddle.
I will come to you.
Ma'am, 67.
Very good. So you all are clear how to solve the riddles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me stop the presentation. Yes, now raise your hand for giving your own riddles based on mathematics. Yes, first I will ask from Arna Agarwal, then I will go to Freya. Yes, Arna Agarwal.
Ma'am, it's type of a puzzle I've made and it's really fun to do.
Okay. Can you show us?
So this is the puzzle. You have to find in the box what will come in the box.
Okay. The way you done this 15 is coming here in the box. How 7? 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 is 9. Then how 7 is coming in this? Can you explain us
Ma'am,
how you
4
are
plus
going to
4
do
is
this?
8. 8 minus 1 is 7.
Okay. Now, if 10 mean 12 and 10 is given, 22. 22 minus 3. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the way you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Priya.
it is. I saw this.
Priya, please give me your riddle.
Yes, ma'am. My riddle is it is a three-digit number. The sum of the digits is 18. The,
Sum
the,
of the digits is 18.
18.
Yes, total is 18. Okay.
The 10 the tens place
Hmm.
digit is double the ones digit and the hundreds digit is triple than the ones digit. What is my
Hmm.
secret number?
The tens place is double the ones place.
Yes.
Okay. 4, 2. And the 100 place is
Yes.
triple the which number?
The ones
place?
place.
Triple the ones place will be 6. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 2 is 12. No, it should be 18. Suppose we put the ones place as 3. Okay. Then we put the tens place as 6. And then we put as 9. 9 plus 6, 15, 16, 17, 18. Is this right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is any rule to solve this?
Ma'am, skip count 3.
And you have to do with the trial and error. The first I have put with the 2 as the one place. Then she has given the rule that tens place is double the ones place. So I have written 4. And it's triple the 100 place is triple the ones place. So I have done 6. Then my number is not coming 18. Right? So then I put 3. And the tens place is double the ones place, which will be 6. And the 100 place is triple the ones place, which is 9. So the answer is now coming total is 18. Right, Shreya? Any other child will try the riddle?
Ma'am, can I say?
Many of you have raised your hand. Please lower down if you don't want to speak.
Ma'am, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, can I say?
First, Twisha. Yes, Twisha.
Yes. I am larger than 200.
Larger than 200. Okay.
My sum of digits is 7.
I am greater than 200. Sum of the digits is 7. Means total will be 7. Okay.
And I'm the half of 500.
Half of 500. So greater than half of 500, 250, and which is greater than 200. Yes. Can the 250 is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, students? How I have solved? Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Samriddhi, please give me your riddle.
Ma'am, I am an whole number,
I am an
odd number.
odd number. Okay.
I am more than 40,
More than 40. Odd number. Okay.
but I am less than 45.
Is this the number?
Yeah, ma'am.
Big she says more than 40 है पर odd number है तो 42 तो नहीं हो सकता more than 40 because it's a even number and less than 45 so 44 भी नहीं हो सकता it's a even number so 43
Ma'am,
only
it can be 41.
41.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it can be 41 also yes but she said na yeah it can be 41 also got it
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, I have also one riddle.
Kev-
Ma'am, can I say I had
yes yes Kevna and then only 2-3 students I'll give chance because I need to move to the other topic also. Yes.
Can I say?
Yes, Shreyash, then Kevna.
Ma'am, I am an odd number and I'm less than 80 and I'm more than 60.
More than 60.
No,
Less-
70, sorry. More than 60, less than 80.
More than 60, less than 80. I'm an odd number. तो बहुत सारे हो जाएंगे. It can be.
70,
It can be. बहुत सारे हो जाएंगे odd numbers जो 60 और 80
71,
हाँ.
71, 61,
So it should be.
7.
65.
There should be
Ma'am,
one. Yes, you can.
Digits are same. Ma'am,
Digits
the
are?
digits are same.
Digits are same. So it will be 77.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it can
Now
be
Kevna.
66 also. Ma'am,
66 is the even number. Kevna.
I have a very fun puzzle.
Wait, Ayush. Kevna will speak. Yes, Kevna.
It's an odd number. Total is equals to 10.
Total is 10.
And it is an odd number.
Hmm.
Greater than 70.
Greater than 70.
And less than 75.
less than 75. Okay.
Ma'am, can
Less
I
than
say?
75, the odd number is when the total
73.
is
73.
children,
Ma'am,
please try
73.
73. Yes, 7 plus 3 is 10. Is they all are correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next child,
Ma'am,
Ayush.
there also one riddle.
Yes, last. Wait, Ayush.
Ma'am, can I say?
I have a pretty fun puzzle
You
which
have.
includes some
Yes, this.
We
you see
are
the
talking
box,
about the
square thing?
riddles here, bacha.
Oh.
Secret numbers we are talking about.
even
How to
Anna
find the
showed a
secret
puzzle.
number. We are doing here the secret number. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, but even Anna showed a puzzle.
That's why I know she was not clear.
Ma'am,
First while, yeah.
ma'am, there is a number on tens
Hmm.
place which is 5,
Hmm.
and the ones place is 5 more than that,
Hmm.
and on the 100 place it's 10 plus than the one place.
Hmm. What is the answer?
Ma'am, there will be 1,000 also.
1,500.
What was the answer then, Rudra?
Ma'am, I
Solve
think
it.
1,500.
Solve it, student. Now, wait a minute. Let me give you more textbook exercises. Then I will ask from you all. We will solve now textbook exercises. Let me take the attendance for the minute. Be ready with your textbook exercises. Read, and when I will ask, please be
Created
ready.
one more. Mom created a secret number puzzle.
Okay. First, I will do
the-
textbook
the-
exercises. Then I will come back to you on. You all know that we have covered till here that in the last class. Now this is the puzzle
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Secret numbers. Banu and Bino were playing a guessing game by writing the clues about a secret number. Each tried to guess the other secret number. Can you guess the secret number? It is the larger than half of 100. So it is
50.
larger than half of 100. 50. Okay. It is more than 6 tenths and less than 7 tenths. More than 6 tenths means 60. More than 60 and less than 70. The tens digit is one more than the tens digit is one more than the ones digit. Ones digit, which is say, see here, look here. They are saying it is more than 6 tenths. Means 60 से तो ज़्यादा है, पर 70 से कम है. Right?
I know, ma'am. Can I say?
Ma'am, 67.
65.
The tenth digit is one. Tenth digit जो है वो
67.
one less है. So the answer is
67.
65
65, yes.
because the ones place is one less than the tens place. Got it?
Ma'am, and the sum
And
is 11.
together the total
Yes.
of these digits is 11.
65.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't understand this one.
समृद्धि पढ़ो, आप खुद ही पढ़ो और सॉल्व करो स्टेप बाय स्टेप.
65.
It is larger than half of 100. 100 का हाफ पता होना चाहिए सबसे पहले आपको. 50. अब 50 से तो बड़ा है वो नंबर बिकॉज दे आर सेइंग लार्जर देन. यहाँ पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हाफ ऑफ 100 क्या होता है, विच इज 50, और 50 से लार्जर है वो नंबर. इट इज मोर देन 6 10. 6 10 से 60. 60 से बड़ा है, 7 10 से छोटा है, 7 10 से 70.
Okay, ma'am, I understood. 65.
Okay. Go to the next riddle. It is larger than half of 100.
What is the
Smaller than.
Ma'am,
what is
42.
the first one?
Yes, ma'am. 42.
Ma'am, I think 42 will come.
It is larger than half of 100. Half of 100 is 50 or smaller s in इससे number smaller है means
42,
50 is greater. It is more than 4 tens.
60.
40. Wait a minute, let me explain. Some are saying 60, 46, 47. When I will solve this? It is more than 4 tens and less than 5 tens. 5 tens से छोटा है, 40 tens 4 tens से बड़ा है. इतना middle है दोनों के. The tens digit is 2 more than the 1 digit, right? Because they already say 4 digit पे तो tens है ही. And the ones digit is which is 1 less than 2 less. So what will be the ones digit, student?
42, ma'am.
42 will be the answer. Now everyone
42.
understood or still have any confusion? Together the total of these digits is 6.
No.
So the number is 42. Now listen it very, very careful. When I give you a chance, then you speak. Write a set of clues for a secret numbers, then give to a friend guess and secret numbers. That we have already tried how to make the secret numbers. Now go to the number surprises. Number surprises is also a one trick which is very, very nice and good. Ask your friend, write down your age. Add 5 to it, multiply the sum of 2. अब इसमें पता है क्या होगा? आपकी जो इतने स्टेप्स करने के बाद भी आप उसी लेवल पे वापस आ जाओगे जो आपकी एज है. Suppose I ask, Samriddhi, what is your age?
10.
10. Suppose Samriddhi is 10 years old. Add 5 to it. When I will add 5 to it, the answer is 15. Multiply the sum by 2. Sum जो आया 15, उसको multiply करो 2 से. 30. Subtract 10 from it. 30 में से 10 को subtract करो, you will get 20. Next, divide it by 2. 20 जो आया उसको divide by 2 करो, the answer is 10. तो देखा आपने, आप वापस उसी एज पे पहुंच गए with the steps given here.
Yes.
है ना? Turn the page. Turn the page. This is given. Take any number. Any number. कोई भी अगर आप नंबर लोगे और ये steps follow करोगे तो आप वापस उसी नंबर पे पहुंच जाओगे.
14, ma'am.
Suppose 14 you are taking. Double it. 14 multiply by 2 कर दो उसको. What will be the answer?
14 on the
20. My board is also visible to you all.
Yeah, ma'am. 28.
I have listened only in a one go only. Yes, don't shout in my class and don't scream in my class, please. Sorry to say you, पर आप बहुत जोर से बच्चा आंसर्स देते हो, है ना?
Sorry,
14 into
ma'am.
20, it's okay. Next time, take care. 14 into 2, you all said 28. Now, next step is, जो आंसर आया 28, multiply इसको 5 से करो. What is the answer? 5 8s are 40.
Ma'am.
0.
Ma'am,
5 2s are 10, 40. 140. Got it? 140 को divide by 10 करो. So the answer is 14. आ गया वापस से वही आंसर
Yes,
जो आपने, ये मैजिक है इसका. सरप्राइजेस. Got it? Now do it by your own. जो C1 है वो खुद करो.
Ma'am, done.
Fast. Okay. क्या नंबर लिया आपने?
Ma'am, I have take 15.
15. 15 लिया. सेकंड स्टेप क्या फॉलो किया आपने? 15 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2.
30.
30. 30 multiply by
Yes, ma'am.
again 2.
60.
Ma'am, 60.
60.
Add number.
60 जो आपका
Ma'am,
आया
60
उसमें
plus
आपने जो
15.
15 क्या आया?
75.
Now again double it. 75 का डबल कर दो.
Ma'am, 150.
150 और 150 को 10 से डिवाइड कर दो.
Ma'am, 15.
15. तो देखा आपने जो steps follow किए, your answer is the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also done.
Done? You also show me.
No, ma'am.
Wait,
I
let me
wanted to
stop.
ask. I am not done. I wanted to ask. We can take any number, right?
Any number और जो steps है इसके अंदर वो follow करते जाओ. Got it, धैर्य? धैर्य, yes or no?
Yes,
Got it?
ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
got it.
Now tell me who want to give me the riddles. Anushka was saying me that she will give me the riddle. Yes, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. I am giving you the riddle.
So, children, before listen the Anushka's riddle, the chapter is complete now, right? Tomorrow I am going to take the revision in the live class, as well as I will give you a worksheet. Wait a minute, let me speak. The chapter is complete now. I will give you a revision tomorrow. I will take a live class also with the revision tomorrow. And on Monday, you have a CET of this chapter. Got it, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Prepare yourself for the CET on Monday. Yes, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. My riddle is
Give me fast.
ma'am, it is a number that is between 51 and 61. It is an odd number.
Odd number, okay. Many numbers are coming, odd numbers between 51 and
57.
Yeah.
I say that it is the number that is between 51 and 61, an odd number.
Between number, okay. So it's a 55.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it's 55.
Now you take out
Ma'am,
out
can
this.
I say one riddle?
No. No, okay. According to you, yes. Next child.
Ma'am, can I say one riddle?
Can I say?
The another child I want who has already spoke. It's okay. Redan, you want to say? Your hand is raised. You want to give me the riddle?
No,
Yes or
no.
no? तो बच्चा आप अंधेरे में क्यों बैठते हो always? Why you
Ma'am,
sit in the black light?
my light is on.
But your face is not clearly visible to me. आप बिल्कुल अंधेरे में daily बैठते हो. Yes, Anna. You want to give me any riddle? Yes, Ayush. Then lower down your hands. Priya, I will give you a chance. Wait. Yes, Ayush. Dan Dalal, you want to give me any riddle?
Ma'am, can I listen?
The ones
Bye,
number
ma'am.
is one more than the tens number, and the hundreds number is seven less than the thousands number.
Okay. So what is your number?
7001.
7001. Okay. But and the total should also we will give that it's 8.
8.
Yes, Priya.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my riddle, it's an even number. It's less
Okay.
than 40 but more than 30.
Less than 40.
But more than 30.
Okay. Less than 40 but more than 30.
The ones digit is one less than the tens digit, and both numbers are prime numbers.
Very good riddle. So can you solve? आप प्रेजेंट स्क्रीन करके टाइप करके सॉल्व कर सकते हो प्रिया?
In Word.
In Word.
Ma'am, I'm on third one. No, I am on answering one word.
Are you doing? Present also. Present your screen and type along with it.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, it will come between 30 and 40 or 35 and 40.
Greater than 30 and less than 40, she's saying.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you?
yes, yes. Type your. Zoom your screen. From down. It is an even number.
Is an even number.
Write the digits only. Solve it in the direct digits only.
Ma'am, who is done can leave.
1 minute only. Less than 40. More than 30.
Ma'am, I just said it's 20. It's 36.
Ma'am, it
Let her write. Tens digit is one more than
Ma'am, I know the answer. Can I say?
let her write.
and the answer will be 32.
Both the numbers are prime numbers.
Both the numbers are prime numbers.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 32.
32 how can be the prime number? 2 is not the prime number. Yeah, 2 is the even prime number. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. The
Both the
answer is
numbers are prime.
32.
I'm
Answer is
32.
32. Yes, answer is 32 and one less. Very good, Priya. Thank you. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye
Bye, ma'am.
bye. Bye bye.